Welcome to ThiRd Life. I'm joined by 13 other Minecrafters, and all of us have 3 lives. So let's jump in.
Alright, here we are.
Okay, how are we looking?
I need to get tools and we need to get cooking.
Trying to find diamonds, it's so hard.
Oh god.
This is a terrible start.
We gotta watch our steps, right? I've been all alone. Survived the first night.
Yeah, so did we. I don't know how.
Do you think I got a soft spot for anyone right now?